Weapons of war have no place on our streets.
Should weapons of war be allowed on our streets?
The availability of weapons of war.
These weapons of war.
Weapons of war. Weapons of war.
Weapons of war.
These are weapons of war, and they have no place in civilian life.
These politicians, many politicians, I should say, and many celebrities are totally misinformed.
You're completely right. They are totally misinformed. They're ignorant, and they don't know what they're talking about. Modern sporting rifles, based on the AR-15 platform, are semi-automatic rifles, and semi-automatic rifles have been in civilian possession for well over 100 years. A semi-automatic fires one bullet with each pull of the trigger, and again, they've been in civilian possession for well over 100 years. It is not an automatic weapon. It is not an assault rifle, which isn't an automatic weapon. And there is no such thing as an assault weapon. That is a purely political term invented by the gun control community in an effort to ban semi-automatic firearms.